gonna make a startup and shutdown video of the Toshiba air conditioner. Refrigerator lines are very short. They condensate very supposed to be drained. Okay, then start it up. I'm gonna start it up. Bayatin nyalain! What the heck? What the? Wait a minute. Okay, the remote is... There's something wrong with the remote, so let's try it one more time. Bayatin nyalain lagi! Now it turns on. Okay, Toshiba can hear the refrigerator flowing already. This one is like, I think is it 9,000 BTU or 3-4 times air conditioner. Usually this froze up for no reason at all, and it started up at first. Well, now let's see how it does. This thing is a good unit in my opinion. It has 4 blades. So that's not crap you see there. The brown thing is not crap. It's like some kind of glue to cover it because it has holes there, and usually ants get inside the air con. Okay, the lights are not frosty, doesn't froze up, so it's good. So now I'm gonna turn it off. Bayatin, matiin! Okay, now it's off. As for blades, as you can see, it's kind of like carriers, mini split units, fan blade. I mean, it does look the same, and I have a video of them, about 4 of them. Okay, now it's stopped. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Out.